Hello, what's up guys, it's Crypto Everything here again. Welcome to another new video. Okay, so today I've got something special for you, and what I'm bringing to you today is super early. So if you stumble across this video, I think you should quickly jump into it. So with that said, I'm just gonna get into the video right now. Okay, so if you go on YouTube and search for Heducate, you are gonna see this channel. So many of you might have come across this channel, Heducate. So you can see he has about 646,000 subscribers. So right here, he is not a small boy on YouTube. And aside this, he has other projects that he's running. Okay, so his channel is not what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about his one of his projects, his website, acti⁸ons.com. Okay, so this acti⁸ons.com is a free tool that you use for keyword research. You can use it for YouTube, okay, Instagram research. For example, if you come over to acti⁸ons right now and click on YouTube keyword tools, okay, so you can easily search for tools and know if they are saturated or they are keywords that you can use for your YouTube, for anything that you want to do, content writing, article writing. Okay, so once you click on that, you can just search on anything. You can just search on, okay, let's say pulse X, and it's going to tell you the search volume and the difficulty, what is a key that you can rank on. Okay, so now we've just we're searching. Let's see pulse X. I just searched on pulse X to see the keyword volume, and this keyword this tool is totally free, so you don't have to pay for anything. As you can see, it has given us the statistics. You have over 480,000 search volume per month. Okay, and the keyword is still low right now. Okay, so you can go down and see other keywords related to what we searched for. Okay, so instead of you paying for vidIQ, TubeBuddy, you can just come over to this acti⁸ons. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Okay, so as you can see, you can search for it and tells you if it is easy, if it is difficult for you to rank with using these keywords. Okay, so there are different tools that you can use. You have the YouTube, you have the Instagram, we have the email. So much.
Sorry to cut in, but if you are a Nigerian and you are watching this video and you have any crypto coin to sell, I will buy those coins from you at good rates. My WhatsApp contact is in the description below. Reach me and we can make deals.
Tools that you can use: SEO, questions explorer, backlink list. So many beautiful things, but that is not why I wanted to show you this video. I'm showing you, first of all, the upside of this website because it is free to use and you don't pay anything. And the most important thing now is what they newly integrated in the website. Okay, now while you use this website, you earn points. As you can see right here, I've earned 688 points. Okay, now when I search for something else, let's say pulse X, let's just say exchange, and see my search, I have 688 here. For every time I make a search, it automatically increases by 2 as at the time I am making this video. Okay, so when it's finished searching, you can see it has increased from 688 to 690. Now, so for every search you do using this free tool, you're going to get paid. I mean, getting paid for using something that is free for your own benefit. How many platforms gives you this opportunity just to use your own platform for free? You're using a software that you're supposed to be paying for, and now they are paying you. Now I'm going to show you these points. Although the whole project about concerning this whole point has not been launched yet, but the website creator, which is Hassan, the owner of Heducate, has said something about the points. Okay, so this is the points. I've got 680. Okay, this was, let me refresh this page to see something. So I just refreshed the page, and now we still have 690. Okay, so let's quickly dive into what the points are. So it says here, I'm just going to read this through. It says we are happy to launch our new point system here on acti⁸ons. Okay, in short, we believe that the point system will significantly impact the growth of acti⁸ons and reach more people worldwide, and at the same time help a lot of people in the long term. Okay, so now it said, how do you benefit from the point system? It said we Heducate are trying hard to provide the best services in digital marketing and online business fields regarding education, applications, and tools. And acti⁸ons is one of our projects that aims mainly to provide free digital marketing tools for anyone working online. Okay, so let's go where it talks about points. Say, coming to our point system, simply the system will help us in these big projects. For example, we may use the points system to grow our cryptocurrency project, which means they are planning, or he is planning on creating his own cryptocurrency. Okay, right? So he wants to create his own cryptocurrency, and now he wants to use these points to integrate that to be able to support that. What that is that let's just continue reading. So we didn't decide yet what and how exactly we will integrate the points, but we believe that the system will have a significant impact in the long term. So here's a sneak peek of our upcoming project. So this is the projects that they have on ground. So there's a crypto coins. These are all under marketing and online business brands. So this is all the plans that they have for 2022 concerning the project. Okay, so it says here, but we are planning to do this. We are planning to do this one of the following scenarios. The first one is we are going to do one of these. Sorry, so they are planning on doing one of these four with the points. Said exchange points with our cryptocurrency, crypto coins / tokens. Number 2, exchange points with direct cash. Or 3, exchange points with coupons to buy products online. Or 4, maybe it helps in providing free education, whatever. So any way you will benefit directly from the points when we launch our new project. Okay, so they are planning on launching a new project. Okay, they are planning on launching their own crypto coin, and they're going to be using the points accumulated on the website as a reward basis for those that have been active on this place. Okay, and how do you get these points? It's simple. See, the good news is you don't need to do anything special or earn points. When you log into your account, you will see how many points you have in the upper right corner of your screen, which is there. And whenever you use any of the tools in the website, you will earn more points. It is that simple. And you can also earn extra points when you refer Super tools to your friends. Okay, so what you have to do is just refer to your friends, and when your friends register using your own link, you are going to gain points too. And when you are using this website, do not refer fake people or do not refer yourself. Just give your links out to real people. When they use the website and they register, you get points. Basically, the summary of this whole thing is just come on the website. Okay, use the Super tools, which is free. This is for your research tool. This is a good research tool, one of the best research tools that are free. Okay, then you get points for doing that. And at the end of the day, when the project that he's on is launched, they are going to reward you according to how many points you have gotten on the website. Okay, so you're going to be rewarded either in direct cash or in cryptocurrency or as coupons. Okay, so one of those things, that is definitely one of them, is going to happen. Okay, so I mean, right now they are giving so much points, 2 points for each research. As you can see, 245 million emails verified, 106,000 happy users, and 602 million keywords analyzed. So people keep using this website because majorly it is free, and not just free, it is free and it works perfectly. Okay, so many people think that using the paid service works better than not using the paid service. Well, this is not a paid service, but it works perfectly because I do use it, and you see how it works. So I don't know how much to stress this. I don't know if you think this is something that you like. I think this is something to look into. I mean, just look into it. To get paid for using a free service that is supposed to be paid for, that is amazing. So I think that will be all for today, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. And I'm going to leave all of the links in the description below. You can use my link to register if you're not registered yet. Okay, at least just do that for me, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.